Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Peaches from Lovers for Healthy Life. This is the Wagon and I put this together. It's one of my favorite colors here. I love greens, all types of greens, sage green. I even painted my sunroom green. I converted this sunroom to a she shed sunroom where we have the sitting area over here, the dining area over here, and my little rack right there where I keep all my goodies. And then this is where I do all my gardening. I have a greenhouse here and a greenhouse there. And then I have my potting bench here and another potting bench over here. So this is where everything happens in the fall, and also in the summertime. I'm not in here that much except for when me and my husband come out here to enjoy some coffee or some tea. So this is my little she shed. So anyways, this is the Wagon that's been sitting in my basement. I put it together and it was really easy to put it together. Now it's actually a really nice working wagon. The wheels move, and I just thought it was a perfect opportunity for me to create a garden. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is, this was a salad bowl that you get at the store, and I save these sometimes for harvesting. And what I did, I put holes in every corner, and so I'm going to go ahead and fill this with soil. Okay, and the reason why I'm using this, and it fits perfectly inside this back portion of my wagon, is because I don't want to get water or soil directly on the wagon itself. Even though this was rated for indoor outdoor, I'm going to be taking this entire wagon out to my sitting area. So I just want to make sure that if it does rain, that the water drains. Also, the wagon has a few screw holes at the bottom, which that's why I went ahead and put holes in this, just so it can have some drainage. I like the fact that, you know, as the flowers grow in this, I can actually pop this container out if they get too big, and I can plant them in my garden and add some new foliage in here, or new flowers in here as well. I think I want to choose this one right here. Like I said, this is called Terenia. Oh, it's kind of wood brown to it. Okay. Alrighty, so I won't be able to split this one up either. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put this way in the back here. It's already a little bit bigger than what I wanted it to be, and what I'm going to do here is take off part of the roots. Just kind of look down here, add a little soil here, and I'm going to place it right here towards the back side. That's perfect. I'm going to cover this up, press it down in the soil. Like I said, I'm just doing all this. Not sure exactly what it's going to turn out to be, but we shall see. Okay. Make sure I get good coverage. Make sure I add enough soil. wanted a water feature, I'm going to set that right here in the garden and put it on. Got a little dog. I'm gonna set him right there in the garden. Okay guys, so I brought it out to my garden sitting area. Here is the final product right here. So I don't know if I was able to get all the footage or not of me putting this together, but this is just some peat moss here and some succulents. These are actually plastic succulents, and some of the stone rocks right here. And this is my angel that I got from Goodwill. My $5 fountain here, and it actually lights up. You can see the light inside of there. Lights up at night. And my arbor with the flowers and the butterflies. And here's what it looks like from this side. And this is actually a working wagon. It actually rolls.